How to read aloud in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are going to learn how you can easily read aloud in Microsoft Word application. First of all, open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device or your computer and log into your account. Now open up any documents you want to read aloud, and once you are inside the document, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the A button.
The role of human in shaping human life.
And you'll be able to read aloud your document. You can pause or play the read aloud by using the tools available. From here, you can fast forward and rewind your document according to your need. You can also edit your read aloud by tapping on the little speaker with a gear button in it. And from here, you can select the voice pack, reading speed, and so on. So there you have it. That is how you can use the read aloud in Microsoft Word using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video with more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thank you for watching.